Fresh out of the pack, Johnny Lightning, Spider-Man 68 Camaro. Let's see how she does. Give her 2 runs on the orange side and 2 runs on the white side. Here goes number 1. Dang, that thing's quick. Run number 2 on orange. $52, not bad at all. Now for the white side, attempt number 1. About the same, 48. Attempt number 2 on the white. 48 was the first one. 37, straight out of the pack. Dang, let's see if I can improve on that with a little bit of love. Fastest time on the orange track out of the box was a 49. Let's see where we're at now. Wheel. Attempt number 2 on the orange side. $31, not bad. Pretty good pickups. Now to the white side. See if it can do better than a 37. $25. That's a good car. Final attempt on the white. Good. Welcome to the club, buddy. Nice. That, my friends, is a quick one.